If you have been using CapCut on Android and whenever a video plays to the end, you see the CapCut logo, but don't know how to stop that from happening. I'll walk you through how to change something on the settings of that CapCut mobile for it to stop appearing. So first, let's take a look at one video I have here. So look at the video I'm editing right now. So if you get to the end, you'll see it has that logo automatically. You can see that. So let me close this and let's make some changes so that this will stop appearing. So what you need to do is to tap on my me icon. All right. On tapping there, the next step is to tap on settings. Once on this page, you will see where you have add default ending. The button there is turned on. Please tap on it. Okay, you can see discard ending. Then I'll tap on discard. So with this, whenever you're editing a new video, that ending will not be added automatically. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more, hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.